Welcome to our play, Hooray for Thanksgiving. Once upon a time, long ago, Pilgrim men,
Bang! Bang!
Pilgrim women,
Mercy!
Pilgrim ministers
Praise the Lord!
came to America. They had a very hard winter. Luckily, Indian men
Big and brave!
and Indian women showed them how to plant corn
Ha ha ha!
and to hunt for turtles.
Ha ha ha!
So at harvest time, the Pilgrim minister
Praise the Lord!
said, let's have a Thanksgiving dinner.
Yum, yum, yum!
The Pilgrim men
Bang! Bang!
and the Indian men
Big and brave!
now hunt turtles.
Ho, ho, ho!
Pilgrim women
Mercy!
Indian women gathered in the corn.
Ha ha ha!
Pilgrim men
Bang! Bang!
and the Indian men
Big and brave!
did for many days. They shot deer and rabbits, but they couldn't find any turtles.
Ho, ho, ho!
What are you going to do? Said the Indian man.
Big and brave!
To the Pilgrim men,
Bang! Bang!
we need turkeys
Ho, ho, ho!
for our Thanksgiving dinner.
Yum, yum, yum!
Meanwhile, the Pilgrim women
Mercy me!
and the Indian women were bringing home the corn.
Ha ha ha!
Their baskets were so full that some of the corn
Ha ha ha!
fell out into the ground now, hiding in the path where the turkeys, they like corn.
Ha ha ha!
So they followed the Pilgrim women
Mercy me!
and the Indian women. When the women got home, they met the Pilgrim minister.
Praise the Lord!
He said, we better go back and pick up that corn.
Ha ha ha!
Just then the hummingbird coming home. Look at all those turkeys
Go, go, go!
eating the corn.
Ha ha ha!
The Pilgrim men
Bang! Bang!
and the Indian men
Big and brave!
and the Pilgrim women
Mercy me!
and the Indian women and the Pilgrim minister
Praise the thoughtful, tender things.
H is for happiness that this day brings.
A is for Aunt, Uncle Sam's apple pie. N is for neighbors stopping by. K is for kids who spell so young. S is for smells to temperature from. G is for grandparents that come each year. I is for Indian that help us all. B is for visitors that come to you. I is for inviting friends to share a treat. N is for natural time found here. G is for greatness to make nation great.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Thank you for coming to a Thanksgiving play.